Good evening, happy holidays. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas, happy Hanukkah, all that good stuff. Definitely wanted to do a wine and FaceTime to discuss, the secret, the law of attraction. I spoke about it prior, and I just felt like it was a great view to watch on Netflix. I didn't read the book, but I watched the movie twice, and it just made me think about so many things about the law of attraction, as they say, and everything that we go through, we put in our paths, and all the speakers and people that, have manifested and learned how to do this law of attraction thing. It really, really got my mind going, thinking about, okay, if everything we go through, we put in it in our own paths and so forth, and everything we have, we complain about, we attract, like, how do we undo that, and it definitely teaches us that, but outside of it teaching us that, it's just like, wow, how come we've been programmed to think and do certain things and not be aware of these things? Like, how can we have, why is that now our situation? Like, how did we get so programmed to being that way? How come we can't, achieve these goals? How come we don't all know about these secrets? How come we're all just like learning about things as it goes? Or is it that we have learned about it, but we've just been using our distractions in front of us to not get the things we want? So it's just so much really to talk about. But again, I want to be respectful to everyone. It's Christmas today, so Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy New Year's. Please be safe. There's Omicron variant going on out here. There's the Delta variant going on out here. Whether you got one dose, two doses, then the booster doesn't matter. People are still getting sick from all these things going on. We're still in a pandemic. We're working from home, and it's just still so much to worry about. No matter how much you do at home to try to feel safe between you and your family and your loved ones. So blessings to everyone. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah. Please be safe, wash your hands, social distance, and everything. But definitely want to touch base on the law of attraction, The Secret, the movie, the book. Right after the holidays, after New Year's, when things get back to normal, giving respect to everyone who's celebrating time with their loved ones and family members, and not trying to ruin anyone's space. But I definitely found this movie very intriguing on Netflix, and I recommend you all watch it if you haven't watched it. And if you don't want to watch it, you'd rather read the book, definitely read the book as well. But there's so much to get into. I'm gonna definitely take some more notes and write down some more topics of discussion I would like to discuss more detail regarding the law of attraction and the secret. And hopefully we can all share opinions and views and comments, and just chime in more on the topic. But that's it. That's all for me. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Hope everyone's well. Please social distance, wash your hands, sanitize, mask up, do everything you gotta do to be safe. And wish you all a happy, happy New Year. And you'll definitely hear from me more after the New Year. And thank you guys for listening. Be sure to like and subscribe as always. Peace out.